You ever wondered, you're in the gym, you just don't know what to do? Well, I'm here to help you figure that out. With our 4-week Jumpstart program, you can come in, learn all of our different exercises within those 4 weeks, and really get a good basis of how to use the machines, how your body works and how it moves, and what strength level you're at. And we can help you push through those strength plateaus and get you to a stronger body in just 4 weeks. So come and do our discovery session and check us out today.